what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video of the course. In this course we will be learning about Midjourney. So as ChatGPT, as other AI models like Dall-E, Midjourney is also an AI tool that can help us generate images with the help of text. So we give prompts to Midjourney and it gives us images based on those prompts. Okay, so this is the Midjourney website, midjourney.com. So if I go into showcase, you can see over here that these are the images that are produced with the help of Midjourney. You can scroll down and you can see there are a lot of unique images. So this look like a real photo taken with the camera, and you can see a lot of different images. Here you can see scribbles, you can also see animated stuff, pixel art, 3D stuff here as well. So basically this is all generated with the help of text. If I go here, for example, on this image, you can see the text that is used to create this image. Okay, so this is really unique software, and in this course we will be learning all about Midjourney and how to create these realistic looking and beautiful looking images with the help of Midjourney. So let's get started with the first video.